Start by parking the vehicle on flat, level ground with the handbrake applied. Turn the vehicle off and ensure both front and rear wheels are suitably chocked and the vehicle is safely secured before proceeding. What's up guys, Mitch here. Today we're going to be doing a quick how to install video on our Nissan Patrol brake proportion valve brackets. It's a super simple 2-bolt install. This can be used across the entire range of lift heights we offer these brackets for. And they're a super quick bracket that helps make sure your Nissan Patrol brakes work correctly. So let's get into it. So locating where the proportion valve bracket extension goes is right here on your diff housing. You're just going to be undoing these 2 bolts. So we got some Loctite on the bolts, but you can then go and reinstall the factory bolts into this lower bracket, saving the bolts that came with the kit for the top half of the bracket. Once you've got all 4 of those bolts done up, that is the complete install done on the brake proportion valve bracket extension, and this one is all complete.